Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will make this cool and beautiful VU meter. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press that bell icon. So without any further delay, let's get started. The components required for this project are Arduino. This is Arduino Nano. Then we need addressable RGB strip. This is addressable RGB strip. It has 3 wires. First is 5 volt in, then data in, then ground. Then we need two 10K resistance, one 10 microfarad capacitor, one push button, some wires, and one cable for programming the Arduino. First we will program the Arduino. Let's program the Arduino. On your PC, open your browser and go to Arduino IDE site and go to software section. Scroll down, you will see different OS type. Select your OS and download the software. Open the software after installing. This is the interface of the Arduino IDE software. Now we will upload the example sketch to check whether if all the drivers are installed properly. Click on File, then select Example, Basics, then Blink. These are the delay value. You can leave it as it was before. From Tool section, select your board. As we are using Arduino Nano, we will select Arduino Nano. If all the drivers are installed properly, you will see a COM port. Select COM port. For me it was COM7, so I will select COM7. Now click on Upload. Nothing to worry, just change the bootloader and the code will upload. Finally, the example sketch is uploaded. Now download the file given in the video description. Download the zip file and extract all the zip file. You will see VU master. Click on Uno VU line. It will ask you whether you want to create a folder or not. Click on OK. Close it. Now transfer all the Arduino file, the files which have green icon, to Uno VU line folder. Now open Uno VU line again. Now we have to install the libraries from Manage Library in the code. Go to Tools, select Manage Libraries. Search the library here which you want to install, like FastLED, EEPROM and JCButton. I will search FastLED here. As I have already installed, I will close it. Now change the number of pixels in your RGB strip. As I have 18 number of pixels, I have written 18. Now select your board to Arduino Nano. Select your bootloader and then communication port, and then click on Upload. Now we are done with the programming. Now we will solder some wires. If you see the whole schematic, it will confuse you. You need to see the schematic in fraction. First, we will solder some wires on the Arduino Nano. This is Arduino Nano. As you can see, I will now show you the wiring diagram. Now I have soldered some wires on the Arduino Nano. You can see this is the V in, which is voltage in, then ground, then 5 volt, then analog 4. We will give our audio signal to analog 4 pin, which is yellow one, and we will receive 5 volt from this wire. You can see 5 volt is red one, and the ground is orange and what is gray. So we will connect our voltage divider here on this pin. For making voltage divider, you need to take two resistors like this and connect one side like this together. Yellow is analog, then 5 volt red one, then orange is ground. So we will connect these two wires, which is 5 volt and ground. First I will put some heat shrink, and now I will connect the voltage divider, which I have placed here. Now connect one wire. This is the joint. These are 2 points. So I will connect first one to 5 volt, and then I will connect second wire, which is ground, to the another leg of the resistor. You see this negative line? Connect this wire, negative wire, to this place, which we have joined with each other. Now I have connected the capacitor to this common point, and I will connect the wire after applying heat shrink to this common point. I have connected the wire yellow analog read to the common point. Now you have to connect the left audio signal to this pin, and your voltage divider is done. I only need this much RGB strip, so I will cut it. I have soldered some wires. See, 5 volt data in, then ground. Green wire is for data, purple is for plus, and blue is for ground. I will connect V in with purple, and blue to the ground, means ground to the ground, and V into the positive 5 volt. Now I have connected the wires to the switch, as you can see. Now we have to connect the now you have to connect the ground with the D3 of the switch. Place one wire to the ground and another to the D3. Here is the D3. Okay, I have placed the, now you can see one wire to the ground and another to the D3. I have connected the RGB strip to my speaker. As you can see, I will place the switch here. It looks good. Now I will connect the Arduino with the power supply, positive to positive. It is very difficult to wire. As you can see, there are a lot of wire already inside. Here is the D5. I will connect D5 to D5. Where is D5? Yeah, here is. It is very difficult. Now I am connecting switch to the Arduino. Now I have done all the wiring. That is buck converter, which will reduce the 12 volt to 5 volt because we need only 5 volt. And this is the digital 5 wire for the RGB strip. These are the wires for the switch. This is analog read wire, and that is power wires, V and ground. And that's it. Now I will show you the demo. I have made bunch of different diffusers by using PVC batten. You can get it from the market. I have made 3 diffusers, 1, 2 and 3. I will test these diffusers now. This is the first diffuser which I have made. It is not that much good. Then I have made another diffuser, this one. This is short and it looked very good. This looks good, but I will test another diffuser to check which one is good. I will check this one. This one is very good, but this is very giant, so I will not use it. I like this one, so I will use this diffuser. Let's check this one more time. I like this one.
I don't wanna see the way you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside your orbit. Yeah. You say that I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you stop and make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. Just my luck, put me on where you understand. There's nothing left to stay. Pull me back, take my hand. Come on, leave. You understand? I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. My luck, if you don't let you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. Come on, leave. You understand? I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna see you while you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, still spinning inside your orbit. I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you'll stop to make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, share and comment and tell me what you would like to see in my next upcoming video. Thank you so much.